Welcome, boys and girls, to the Siddha Cosmic Enlightenment International. This is Dr. Palakar here. Whole world has embraced the lockdown for the past 2 to 3 months. Whole human consciousness has been in the lockdown, recalibrating, readjusting, and retuning their method of living life. It is exactly the opposite way how we stretched ourselves in the past few decades of our living life. And we are like 50% tired ourselves. Our focus is on ourselves. So just imagine when you have stretched yourself for the past few decades, in 2 to 3 months you have been locked down. That means you are forced to focus on yourself. Your time is for yourself. Whatever time you have been spending for the business, for the different types of social welfare activities, entertainment, all has been shut down and you are forced to focus on yourself. Now, probably in a month or couple of months, the process of lockdown are going to be more easing. There will be more freedom and things are going to open up. And when things are opening up, of course, it is like a freedom for us. We are jumping into the freedom. While we doing this, we would like you to be more cautious. As soon as you get example, when we do a fasting, and someone who do a fasting not regularly, they have been fasting, like example, whole day fasting. So they'll be feeling more hunger. And generally, they tend to eat more food while breaking the fast. Similar way, after this lockdown get eased, we should not be in a hurry to finish all our pending work in the quickest time. We have to just sit, we have to relax, closing the eyes for few minutes or few seconds. Just see which job is more prioritized, which job, which process need more attention, and try to give importance to that job first. Remember, the entire world has been locked down, and even when you get into the field, not everybody is available to respond to you. So that is the time you should take things easy, not to take the things on frustration level. Relax yourself and not to hurry while driving the car or while doing things, or even at home, leaving the home. Try to everything is going to be no time. So what we are reminding you is, don't allow yourself fully exposed into the freedom. Take your own time, relax yourself. Every day you should ease yourself 10%. You should take at least 5 to 10 minimum days to get into the flow of the openness. And try to not to allow your brain to get opened up so faster. Always take a few break, focus on yourself, try to embrace lots of fresh air, fresh sunlight, the fresh breeze, Even if you happen to see beautiful garden, try to appreciate everything which comes out of the nature. Try to appreciate human beings with the positive words, with the positive approach, and try to help yourself first. Be kind to yourself, and more over all these, start loving yourself. It's a beautiful world which is in front of you, like a newborn baby. Be yourself excited and explore the opportunities. Not to get worried or not to get scared or not to be under frustration, even if you could not close any business deal. Just imagine, just if you take a flashback before the lockdown, even if someone gets sick, someone feel uncomfortable, show some symptom of sickness, everyone used to rush to the doctor. And doctor used to prescribe medicines and tests and things like that. But during the process, during the period of lockdown, we have trained ourselves how to control, how to fulfill, how to clear basic problems of our life, including the health situation. So don't just allow yourself to be a victim again. Try to have your life, try to have the full control of your life within your hand. Master your life. Decide what you want, and you will be able to achieve. Bless you. Jai Gurudev.